welcome back to my channel Auxiliary Online English Education. Today I will read a poem Mindset which is composed by me. Sunflower always follows the sun. I like to follow you. Days and nights, all your creations, all living beings are in view. You have made all stars and planets. You have made all flowers. You have made all hills and mountains. You have made oceans and rivers. You have created all miniatures. You have created all giants. You have created land, air and water to live in your domain freelance. You have sent us to live in this planet, to make it a paradise of love. You gave us enough food and shelter not to remain in starve. We have forgotten everything. Smiles fear to appear. Time is just down to wipe out the mindset, don't care.